Good morning, Corey Frazier here, Castle Auto Sales, hashtag Frazier's Friends. Today I'm going to be doing a walk around of this 2008 Mazda B4000 little pickup truck. Frankly, it's a little Ford Ranger 4-liter 4x4, but this one's in absolutely a fantastic condition and low miles inside and out. We'll get to that here in just a moment. I do apologize for the dust. It is a little dusty. It's been sitting on the front line last couple of days, but just like in all my videos, we're going to do the outside. We'll do the inside condition and features. I'll turn it over, let you see the dash, all the lights, let you hear it run. But first, we're just going to get outside condition, whatever features there may be. Then we'll get to the inside here in just a moment. As you're going to see, I'm getting both angles for you as well, so you can see if there's any dents, dings, dimples, stuff like that. Reason why we do these video walk-arounds, we deliver nationwide, including Hawaii and Alaska. Just reach out and give me a call or a text for an instant quote. But absolutely, I mean, new tires all the way around. No major dents, dings, no huge scratches. The little 4-liter 4x4. Best little engine Ford made for these Rangers. But as you can see, the little rear slider, bed liner, tow pack. Get these angles in here. Tires are dang near new, if not new. These angles in here. This thing drives great. Almost drives like it's new, and that's no exaggeration. But we'll get to the inside here in just a moment. I'll turn it over for you. Looks like once upon a time there was a light bar up here up front. It was taken off. The headlights are in great condition. They're not fogged at all. Let me widen this out so you can see it here around the door frame. That's what I like to do. But as you can see, power windows, power locks. Get the condition of the seats here. Seats are in fantastic condition. Let me open up this back door here. The passenger seat here for you. No stains, no rips, no tears. Like I said, this thing's in really good condition. Matter of fact, it's hard to find these little 4-liter Rangers. The little jump seats here. I'll open them up. Can't imagine too many people would actually be using these, but those are available. The cruise control there. You got the Overdrive, stock stereo, 4-wheel drive, AC blows cold, even the little aux cord, which is nice if you like listening to your music on your phone, I should say. Plus, it's good for the making phone calls and whatnot. But look at that. Look, I mean, under 100,000 miles. A little 4-liter 4x4. My wife was calling me on the phone. Probably gonna hate me because I just declined it. Get over here. As you can hear, just great condition. There is fog lights, headlights. Well, guys, hopefully this helped answer some questions. You know, if there's anything that I may have missed, or you'd like me to come out, take photos, shoot another video walk around, whatever the case, we'd be happy to do it. I do want to say thank you for your time and consideration, and hopefully we can earn your business. See you next time, guys.